Well, that was our last night at the hotel. I stayed at the Super 8 in Sudbury, and it was it's okay, not quite as good as the other Super 8 I stayed at in Sault Ste. Marie. And for breakfast, I looked for breakfast restaurants online, and I found this place called Tutti Frutti. It's a breakfast place. It serves really fancy dishes, but I wasn't impressed. Let's just put it that way. So I pulled over in Mindemoya, which is one of the main towns on Manitoulin Island, and they've got good ice cream here, and they've got good milkshakes and stuff like that. There's a couple good places to stop near here, but I don't really need anything. I just wanted to pull over and get the camera going. I took the long way around and went to Gore Bay, which is almost 100 clicks out of my way if I was going straight to South Bay Mouth, because I had about 3 or 4 hours left to kill before my boat leaves. So I don't have to be there till like 20 to 5, and that's being an hour early, and it's not even 4 o'clock yet. So I'm way ahead of schedule. I'm going to be sitting around probably there. Went to a nice place. I'll post a picture in the video. Just one click when I took. I didn't actually do video, and it's nice. It's called Boys Restaurant, Buoys, and it's a great little patio spot if you want to have a beer and some good eats. So now we're going to head on to South Bay Mouth. That might be a little bit early, but well, better early than late, right? And I'll just sit there and I'll have a nice cup of coffee or tea or whatever and take my time, and then we'll get on the boat and then we'll head home from there. You can see how my stuff is holding out, but I don't have room for anything more. This is a good boat.